This is problem number 14 from chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. This problem is from unsolved exercise and Maharashtra State Board book. So problem is like this. Show that RMS velocity of oxygen molecule is root 2 times that of sulfur dioxide, means SO2, sulfur dioxide SO2 at ST. So here we have to relate the RMS velocity with the molecular weights of two different elements which are given in this problem. One is oxygen and other is sulfur dioxide. So we must know that the molecular weight of oxygen is 32. लक्षात घ्या, हे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेले नाही, हे आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. We must remember it. Molecular weight of oxygen is 32 and molecular weight of sulfur dioxide SO2 it is 64. SO2 64. So what we are going to find out, RMS velocity of oxygen molecule, it is root 2 times RMS velocity of sulfur dioxide at ST. Formula for RMS velocity under root 3 RT by M. STP, it is given that STP, what is meant by STP? Standard temperature and pressure conditions. Means for both elements the temperature remains same. So obviously the CRMS will only proportional to, inversely proportional to molecular weight of both elements. So for oxygen, above equation becomes CO. O represent oxygen, inversely proportional to square root of M. Then for SO2, inversely proportional to square root of molecular weight of SO2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Take directly ratio. Divide equation 1 by 2. CO upon C SO2 is equal to, it becomes square root of molecular weight of SO2 divided by molecular weight of oxygen, and molecular weight of SO2 is 64, square root of 64 divided by square root of 32. So means it becomes square root 2. So the final result is RMS velocity of oxygen, it is root 2 times RMS velocity of sulfur dioxide molecule. This is your result. This is problem number 15. At what temperature will oxygen molecule have same RMS speed? RMS means root mean square speed as helium molecule at STP. So it is given in the problem that RMS velocity of oxygen, it is exactly equal to RMS velocity of helium, but at what temperature this condition takes place, that we have to find out. So what is formula for RMS velocity? Under root 3 RT by M. So this equation we are writing for the oxygen molecule, therefore represent TO MO, temperature of oxygen, molecular weight of oxygen, is equal to square root of, again 3 RT by M. This equation we are representing for helium, so write down THE and MHE, temperature of helium, molecular weight of helium. So these two molecular weights are given to you, that means these two values are given to you, and the helium molecule is at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure condition. So what is standard temperature? Remember 0 degree Celsius means 273 Kelvin, it is standard temperature. Sometimes in some problem we may also ask RTP. RTP means room temperature and pressure condition, RTP. So what is room temperature? Room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius means in Kelvin 300 Kelvin. So it is not needed for this problem. This is extra information for you. STP is 273 Kelvin. So squaring on both sides, cancel 3R 3R. Simply we get temperature of oxygen that we require, then molecular weight of oxygen 32, temperature of helium, it is STP, means 273 Kelvin, and molecular weight of helium 4. So TO is equal to 8 into 273. The answer is 2184 Kelvin. This is problem number 16. The problem is like this. Compare the RMS speed of hydrogen molecule at 127 degrees Celsius with RMS speed of oxygen molecule at 27 degrees Celsius. So RMS speed of hydrogen I will represent by CH. What is formula? Under root 3RTH upon mH. TH represent temperature of hydrogen. It is 127 degrees Celsius, means 127 plus 273. Right. So it becomes 400 Kelvin. Then CO represent RMS velocity of oxygen. Again formula under root 3R TO, temperature of oxygen divided by M. So temperature of oxygen, it is given to you 27 degrees Celsius. 27 means 300 Kelvin. So what is asked? Compare the RMS speed of hydrogen with RMS speed of oxygen. This is equation 1, equation 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. Square root of 3R cancel. It becomes TH upon MH into MO upon TO. Then TH is 400, MH is 2. These two molecular weights are given to you: molecular weight of hydrogen, molecular weight of oxygen. Then TO 300. On solving, what we get? 864 by 3 means 8 by root 3. This is your final answer. 8 by root 3.